Hey everyone, this is Elliot with Exotic Motorsports, and this is our 2002 Ford Lightning with 44,200 miles. It is one of the cleanest, if not the cleanest Lightning I've ever seen of this age, obviously, other than a brand new one back in the day. But with that being said, this thing is in perfect shape. The truck has been ceramic coated, no fading on any of the plastics, hard tonneau cover, 100% stock other than the tonneau cover. It's got a bed rug, again, no fading on any of the plastics in the back. Back bumper's straight, no dings or chips. There's one little chip right there that could be touched up. No wheel rash or anything. And look how clean that exhaust is. It's just cherry. Definitely a truck you're gonna be happy with. We'll move on to the interior. The interior is in really good shape. As you can tell here, all the Alcantara is in good shape. This right here can just be kind of shaved off and kind of like, like a coat gets. So that can be fixed. No tears or anything on it. No lights on or anything on the dash. Radio AC works. This is the only blemish on it, but can be dyed and repaired. Not a huge deal. No lights on or anything on the dash. 44,200 miles. The truck is super clean. No wear on the armrest or anything. Let's go look under the hood.